Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024, January 29th. So today morning market sessions will be cover all the stocks with various of the research house stock picks. So we're starting with the disclaimers. All the stocks mentioned in this video is serving for the learning purposes. It's not a buying selling call for the viewer subscriber. So let's start ahead for the last Friday's US market. US market, S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq is a mixed conditions. I would be considered as a flat markets in the overnight last Friday markets. S&P dropped by 3 points, Dow Jones up 60 points, Nasdaq dropped 55 points. It doesn't change much on the markets, but in the chartings we can see a different story over there. So we look at the Nasdaq markets, we can see there are 3 red candles at the top over here. So this would be look like an island at the tops. So we can see they are continuously 3 days open high close low, open high close low, and it closings at the lowest for the 3 days, for the last three trading days. So I would say it could potentially signaling for the reversals sooner. So let's have a look on the S&P 500. S&P 500 still moving higher slightly. Nasdaq coming down and the Dow Jones is moving higher. Okay, Nasdaq and the Dow Jones S&P telling a different story, meaning that Dow Jones and the S&P moving higher, while the Dow Jones and Nasdaq is coming lower. So we may need to keep on monitoring, see how is the market going on. So we come back to the Malaysia market, FBM KLCI. So KLCI is now closing above the trading box, which is 1506 level, closing at the highest. So for the past how many months, you can see it's already break resistance continuously higher, and it comes to how many years high. It's already back to since the September 2022. So we are now at the 2022 September highest level. So more than how many months? 1, 2, 3, 1 year and 6 months, 1 year and 4 months, 1 year and 4 months high. So the market in local market is still contributing higher at a stronger pace. So on the last Friday, I mentioned with the high-speed rail team place, property and construction scouter is moving higher, like UAM, EcoWorld, SPs of the IWCT, EcoWest, MRCB, BJLand, etc. There are a lot of property counters and the construction is moving higher. So WCT on the last Friday is also breaking resistance level. So I'm kind of surprised that there are no research house cover these stocks WCT. Anyhow, and we can have, if for the investor can look into the steel series. Steel series, if the high speed rail is going to on the plant, so definitely they will need metal, steels, all those material, right? So Andrew, Haptex, Land Industry, Mass Steel, Southern Steel, Maleva, Micron. So if you are positioning in the steel industry, then you need to be more patient because it's moving sideways for quite long whiles ago. So if you are investing long term, then you can have a look inside for the steel industries. So we go back for the research house stock picks, and the first one will be covered by the M+. So first stock will be FPI. Formosa Panasonic. So we can see there's a breakout for the, I would say this one is pretty much like what I call the price actions breakout as well. So last Friday closing at 295 and they are calling buying above 295, meaning that if open at 296 or go to the 296, you can buy in for these stocks with a stop loss level at 290. So with a target price 305 and 310, which is slightly above here. So I would say for this stock is definitely a short-term trading play. The buying call because of the consolidation breakout, meaning that over here there's a sideways, right? So last Friday it managed to break out. I was suggesting if you are buying for this stock, you may need to wait for a slightly retracement. Let's have a look for the and we need to adjust for the stock price over there. 290 I think is slightly too high for me. Of course, this one is depends on different traders or risk appetite. Different stock will be different trading plans. So if I'm suggesting for these stocks, FPI, I would say I would start encouraging to buying it at 293, 292 level with a stop loss of 287. So you can punt into the 305, 310. Yes, it's alright for the resistance support target level. So the next stock pick would be SP30. SP30 is one of the player in the Johor high speed rail. Is also benefit from there, I believe. So we can see the pricing is already consolidation sideways over here, so it managed to punch higher than its consolidate sideways here. It's pretty much like a candles, right? The U cup right over here. So the resistance is somewhere around 104, 105 level. So they are calling for the buy for the SP30 is 92 cent, buy above 92. Last Friday is 92 closings. So meaning that you are buying in at 92 half with a stop loss level of 90 cent. So your stop loss level will be somewhere around 2.5 cents, right? And the target price given is 95 and 98 cents. I would say this one is so tight of the target price. If you want to play for this swing, I have a different trading plan as well. So you can enter 92, but the stop loss will be slightly higher. I would say it will be somewhere around 88 cents with a target of 98 and 104 level. So depends on your risk appetite, how you want to strategize to trade for the SP30. Of course, if you want to hold for slightly longer medium terms, I would say I would encourage for it. SP30 is a good counter. So next topic by the M banks will be Syntex. Syntex Berhad. So we can see it's moving higher over here. Over last Friday closing is 407. Stop loss level given is 368. The stop loss seems to be pretty much large in terms of the price action right over here. Anyhow, it's still within the 10% range, and the target price given is 440 and 470. Wow, the target price is pretty much higher. I would say it's already break the resistance right over here. That's why they are calling for the buy for these stocks. So if you like it, you stick to their trading plan. So the next stocks covered by the ISP would be CIMB. CIMB. So they mentioned the breakout is 6 ringgit. Or last Friday already break 6 ringgit, closing at 1618, and the stop loss level is 580, and target price given is 640, 680 is somewhere around here. So financing stock is climbing higher, uptrending, which is acceptable. Next topic would be the Carex. Carex. So you can see this major downtrend back in 2018-19, and then a major sideways right over here, and it coming to slightly higher. It seems to be a cup U cup here. So the last Friday closing buy price is 81 cents. They are calling for the breakout 78 cents, which already broken last Friday. So they are calling buy with a stop loss level 72 cents, and the target given is 84 and 90 cents. So this one is slightly higher right over here. So their meanings that they are expecting to break recent high over here to test earlier highs here. I would say for this type of stock, pretty much okay for the charting pattern and acceptable stop loss and reward ratio right over here. The next stock will be SY Group. Xinjiang Group. So last Friday closing 76 cents, so they are calling for the breakout of 66 cents, which is 1 cent higher, and the stop loss given is 62 cents, which is around 5 cents or less than 5 cents. Stop loss level acceptable. Target price 70 cents and 74 cents. Risk ratio, I would say the second target would be more reasonable. Okay, the next stock would be SDS. SDS Group. So they are pending breakup for 75 cents. They are calling for the buy at 75 cents. Last Friday closing at 74 half. So they are calling for the breakout 75 cents, meaning that if they need to reach to 75 half to break the recent multiple testing of 75 cents here. Okay, you can see test 1, test 2 and test 3. Even last Friday also tested. Anyhow, they are closing 1/2 cent lower than the resistance, so they are calling for the breakout 75 cents. So, and the stop loss level 70 cents half acceptable, and the target 78 and 83 cents acceptable as well. So the trending still very convincing right here. So the next stock covered by the Maybank Investment Bank would be Airbnb. So last Friday closing is 343, and the stop loss level given is 331 acceptable, which is very attractive stop loss level because it's very thin over here, and the target given is 357384. So we have a look on the larger pictures. So you can see the trending upside here, and since April 2022 is moving sideways. So the nearer to the support level would be considered as a very good entry. So because you have a smaller of the colors level from the support. Okay, so the next stock by the Maybank Investment Bank will be Muhiba. So Muhiba last Friday closing at 84 cents. The trending still uptrend. Yes, pretty much convincing. The trending is already broken for the resistance. Stop loss level given is 76 half. Target given is 93 cents and 101. So this one is pretty much standard targets level. So you can see over here is sideways, moving sideways for quite long while since March 2020. So it needs to be climbing above the major resistance back then. It's already above 71 cents. 70 cents above would be considered safe, I would say. So they are going to testing for the resistance 101. Yep, acceptable. So I believe that's all for today. So if you like the videos, you can like it. If you want to open an account, you can check the link in the descriptions. There's a videos guide you through how to open an account, or you can communicate with me through the WhatsApp. Or if you're interested to open a margin account, you can liaise with me. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.